How to fix Modern Warfare 2 server is not available due to multiple logins error. 1. Launch the game in your own region. FYI, Infinity Ward warns against changing regions to play Modern Warfare 2 early. If you are trying to change your console's region setting in order to access Modern Warfare 2 early, you will experience connectivity issues and may be locked out of the game until the official launch time of your region. Note, avoid using VPN or perform region switching. Two. Check the Call of Duty and Activision support Twitter accounts. 3. Wait until the game is actually available in your country.